What's up, guys? I'm down here in Washington visiting some family, and I forgot to shoot an intro for the Reptilian Expo in Roseville. So I wasn't able to record the whole show, but I highlight my favorite vendors that I saw at the show. All right, guys, we're down here at the Reptilian Nation show in Roseville. You just want to introduce yourself and tell me what you got here?
My name's Ken. I'm with Scaly Crew, and right here we have a Kenyan Sambo. I've been breeding these for a really long time, probably about 20 years or so. And this is just your normal, regular run-of-the-mill looking Kenyan Sambo, but I love them.
That's a normal only?
Yeah.
It doesn't have, so it always has those natural oranges like that?
Yep. Some of them have a little bit more yellows, but this one's got some nice bright orange, which is what I really like on the color-wise. And this little guy is a year old, so he's got some decent size to him, but they're a small snake, so easy to handle.
So what would you say this is? This is not an adult, of course, right?
No, this is 1 year old.
1 year old?
Yep, and he's a male. Males don't get very big. Males probably 18, 20 inches, something like that.
18, 20 inches?
Yep, females a little over 2 feet for females, so 24, 32 inches maximum size. And they're really easy to handle, and they're fun little snakes. I love them.
So what's a little bit of the requirements for these guys? What's their heat like, or their enclosure?
They do like
setup?
a hot spot, usually 95 to 100 on the hot spot, but the rest of the cage can be, whatever that works out to be, 75, 80, somewhere around there for the rest of the cage. They're a burrowing snake, so some substrate that they can burrow in, aspen, sand, mixture of dirt and sand if you want to go naturalistic or something like that. And they do climb a little bit, so you can get a little bit of branch in there for them to climb on, and some hide boxes, and they'll be happy. They're really easy to care for.
All right, where can we find you?
You can find me on all the social medias, Facebook, Instagram, X, all that jazz, at Scaly Crew.
Right there. All right, thank you, sir. But yeah, you were saying that up, like, I'm gonna just talk down. I'm recording. Does he turn it this way? Right there.
Get the tricep and bicep in the show.
You're gonna flex your bicep.
I'm trying.
So tricep.
Hey.
No, that's my friends.
All it takes is one time. I never had no kids until I'm 55. And
Oh, you told me that.
yeah.
I don't know if I should talk. This would be a real, huh?
Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Look at his tongue. See his tongue coming out?
So mine will get this. Mine's the same species, right?
Yeah, they'll get just as big.
But what biggest one's the black one over there?
No, we didn't. We have couple little babies of the black, the Hortum.
The Horton.
Those get the biggest. We got one at the house that's 43 inches.
You just want to touch it? You don't want to touch it?
Can I touch
It feels like a football.
Yeah, that's him for that one.
Can I touch it? I'll touch it a little bit.
Yeah, hold on.
You want to hold? You want to do it for record it? Yeah, for our content.
Shoot, I don't know how to.
All right, guys, we're down here at the Roseville show. You just want to introduce yourself and tell me what you work with?
Hey, my name is Jim Hernandez, and I work with mostly bearded dragons. And I like the yellow one, so more citrus. This is a beautiful translucent girl. It's by
So what is this?
translucent.
Translucent.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's a tiger translucent. Really pretty girl. She's about 8 months old. It's gonna get huge.
Yeah, definitely.
Their mom's like 560 grams. Dad's almost 600 grams. So it's massive dragons.
So what's the average size for bearded dragons?
Average is about 300 grams.
300 grams?
Yeah.
Oh, so they're big. They're big.
They're really big. I really want to bring back.
Sorry, go ahead.
I really want to bring back the German giants.
I was gonna say, is it a giant? Is it
So
a giant line of them?
they all carry the genetics for giant, and so they were bred out like about 10 years ago.
Okay.
So my goal is to breed really giant dragons.
I got you.
So right now,
if you have it in your line, why not?
Largest one I have right now is 700 grams at home.
Wow, that's a big one.
Yeah. So this is only 180.
Okay.
So for next year, we'll be probably like pushing 500 grams.
Oh, gotcha. It's still young, yeah.
Young, but they go really fast.
Okay. So where can we find you?
You can find me mostly in Sacramento. I'll do local shows in the Bay Area too.
Do you have an Instagram
Instagram is Reptile Garage Sacramento.
Reptile
Instagram.
Garage Sacramento?
Yep.
All right. Thank you so much.
Yeah.